What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing Bioptimizers Magnesium Breakthrough as well as Qualia's Magnesium formula. Now these formulas are similar but also different. I'm going to break down each individual formula, the types of magnesium in them, the upsides and downsides of that formula, and share with you which formula is best. So with that being said, I'm going to start with magnesium from Bioptimizers Magnesium Breakthrough. They have 7 different forms of magnesium in their formula, and Qualia has 9 different forms. So let's start here. So they have magnesium chelate, which, by the way, chelate is bound to an amino acid, and it is there's different amino acids that it can be bound to, but it's a specific type of magnesium that's bound to amino acid. Magnesium Bisglycinate, which this is for your sleep. Magnesium Oxide, which, to be honest with you, Magnesium Oxide is a little bit harsher on the gut, and it is also a little bit of a cheaper form of magnesium. Magnesium malate, which malate is mixed with malic acid, and this is good for ATP and energy levels. Magnesium orotate, which is also mixed with amino acid, and it's good for muscle recovery. Magnesium taurate, which is beneficial for heart health. And magnesium citrate, which is beneficial for the health of your gut. And magnesium citrate is also, to be honest with you, a little bit of a cheaper form of magnesium. There are some other ingredients, including cellulose, rice extract blend, which is rice extract, rice hulls, and gum arabic. Sunflower oil, which I did not know and was actually surprised to see that. So there is a seed oil in here, but I'm sure it's a very small amount as it's another ingredient. Rice fiber and cellulose. So the upsides of this formula are, I believe, the magnesium taurate, the magnesium orotate and malonate and bisglycinate. Magnesium oxide and citrate, cheaper forms of magnesium, not impressed with those. But overall, it's a fairly good formula and it works fairly well, and it's definitely a good blend. It's good to have 7 forms of magnesium. Moving on to Qualia Magnesium Plus. With Qualia Magnesium Plus, you have aspartate. Now, aspartate is magnesium bound to aspartic acid, which is good for your nervous system, your muscle health, your basically all types of different things, but really more so than anything, your nerve health and your muscle health. It also has magnesium hydroxide from seawater, magnesium citrate, same as Bioptimizers, which is for gut health, which is a cheaper form of magnesium. Magnesium taurate as well, which is for heart health and cardiovascular health. Magnesium bisglycinate chelate. So this is bisglycinated, but this is magnesium bisglycinate that has been chelated, meaning it's more readily available for bioavailability. Magnesium creatine chelate. Now this was new to me. Magnesium creatine chelate is creatine bound to magnesium, and it makes both of these more stable, and it gives you magnesium and creatine at the same time, which is really great for muscle health and brain health as a nootropic. So I found that really fascinating and really cool. Magnesium gluconate, which is beneficial for stomach health and digestive health. Magnesium gluconate, just so you know, is similar to magnesium citrate. However, magnesium oxide, but magnesium gluconate is just a pricier form, and it is a little bit softer on your gut. It's calmer on your stomach and digestive system. And then it has magnesium acetyl taurate, which taurate, once again, is for heart health and cardiovascular health. And magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is in Qualia. Magnesium chloride is not in Bioptimizers. One thing to know about magnesium chloride is magnesium chloride can essentially be the most biodiverse form of magnesium, because magnesium chloride can convert itself into any of these forms of magnesium for brain health, heart health, cardiovascular health, nerve health, muscle health, digestive health, sleep health, any other form of health that magnesium fits into. Magnesium chloride is a good universal form of magnesium. So if I were to compare these two formulas, Bioptimizers Magnesium, you get 60 caps, and this formula is a little bit cheaper, so you're going to get more bang for your buck in terms of magnesium, but the forms of magnesium and the quality of this formula is slightly lower than the Qualia Magnesium Plus formula, which you only get 42 capsules in here, but there's 9 forms of magnesium, and also in here you have a Aquamin Trace Mineral Blend, which is 200 milligrams, a concentrated seawater mineral complex, 50 milligrams, and 1 milligram of boron, which, by the way, Boron is good for helping magnesium absorb, as well as vitamin D absorption and calcium absorption. So a slightly higher quality formula by Qualia Life, which is to be expected because they put every product they put out, they test on 100 people, and if they don't get 80% efficacy or 80 people out of 100 or more, they don't even release their formulas. But this does cost more. So if you want more bang for your buck in terms of magnesium, Bioptimizers is the magnesium for you. If you want a higher quality formula that is probably going to be a bit more bioavailable and have a broader range of magnesium to support you from head to toe, magnesium from Qualia Life is probably your best bet. So honestly, they're both comparable. I think, Qualia Life. So Qualia Life has other ingredients as well. L-leucine, which is amino acid, rice flour as well, and silicon dioxide. I don't like the silicon dioxide in Qualia in their magnesium formula, and I definitely don't like the sunflower oil in Bioptimizers Magnesium. So both have their downsides, both have their upsides, but both are great forms of magnesium and both will support your magnesium health overall. They are just beneficial in their own different ways. So I'll put links to both of them below. Personally, I just kind of alternate between them. I actually didn't know sunflower oil was in Bioptimizers Magnesium, so that's a little bit disappointing to me, to be honest, because I don't like seed oils at all. I'm sure it's a very small amount and that omega-6 isn't going to be that high, so it's not going to be a huge deal. However, I just don't want to see that in there. And I do like the chloride and the creatine in Qualia's Magnesium Plus. So if I had to choose, probably Qualia Magnesium Plus, but every once in a while, it's good to just get a lot more magnesium in and get more capsules for a cheaper price. So both are a win in my book, and magnesium is an essential mineral for heart health, nerve health, muscle health, gut health, brain health, sleep health, and so much more. So I'll link both of these up below with discount codes. Also, if you want to get a cheaper form of magnesium, magnesium chloride, which I mentioned is in Qualia Life's magnesium, I actually get a magnesium chloride spray, which you can use topically on your muscles, on your gut, or on any area of your body. This spray is incredibly cheap, and I have a 10% off code. It's from a company called Omega Organics. So I'll link up that third magnesium for you below. If these are both a little bit out of your budget, that magnesium spray is very cheap and also very bioavailable and very effective. So there's 3 different magnesium products you can choose from. Choose whichever one is best for you. And if you want to get more health and wellness product reviews, subscribe to Wellstar Reviews here below. And if you want to see a lot of different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted and get discounts on these brands, I'm talking superfoods, supplements, health fitness, health technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, and so much more. Click the link below to visit healthywildfree.com/shop, and you'll get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to live healthy, wild, and free.